Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda. Today, Ms. Shreya is with us who is going to share her journey of healing. It's not that you have to visit Planet Ayurveda or you have to see doctor in person to heal yourself. If you decided, if you have, that willpower, and definitely we have a lot of sources these days, then definitely nobody can stop you from healing through Ayurveda. So let's connect with Shreya and ask her about her journey, how she diagnosed about the disease, how she know about Planet Ayurveda, and how she decided to continue her journey of healing with Planet Ayurveda. Let's talk to her. Hi Shreya, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. So Shreya, first of all, tell me where you located.
I'm located in Maharashtra, Pune.
Okay. And how you came in contact with Planet Ayurveda?
Actually, I was suffering from ulcerative colitis, and I was searching for a good doctor. Like lot of doctors don't know about this disease. So actually, my father saw one video on YouTube
Okay.
about Planet Ayurveda, and he asked me to contact you guys. Then I immediately got an appointment with doctor, and which was 2 years back, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. So when was you diagnosed first? Like how you know that you're having ulcerative colitis? Because it is not a common disease, and sometimes till our life, like our life till now, we never heard about the name of disease. So how you got to know
Yeah, that
about
is
it?
true.
Who diagnosed this?
Okay, so it was diagnosed like 5 years back. 5 years back, and at first the local doctors didn't know what it was. They gave me some medicines, but it was not working. So they asked me to do colonoscopy,
Okay.
and there was one doctor in my area. So he said like it could be a start of inflammatory bowel disease, but that too he wasn't sure because it was just started and it was only in rectum, so he wasn't sure about it. Then after 2 years, I guess in 2022, I went to AIG in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So there too I had a colonoscopy. Then they confirmed that I was suffering with ulcerative colitis.
Oh, for so long you were not even diagnosed
Yeah.
properly. My goodness.
Yeah.
So, what were the symptoms in the beginning?
There was blood from stool. It was not the symptoms were not that much, but my weight also decreased a lot, like by 10 kg something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And for those 1-2 years when it was not detected, so for which disease the treatment was going on?
They were just treating me by looking at the symptoms. Like
Only.
I was taking Ayurvedic medicines at that time as well.
Okay.
So it was okay, but it was not getting cured like completely. And the symptoms were just getting reduced by like 20-30%.
Okay.
Not much. Yeah.
Yeah. So, have you ever taken allopathic treatment for the same?
Yeah, when I went to AIG, they gave me like mild steroids, but I used it for like 10 days, and my health actually worsened. So I had to go to the Ayurvedic doctor immediately, and I had to do Panchkarma and all.
Okay. So, like being a young student, how your interest develop in Ayurveda? Because people not easily went to Ayurveda. They have
Yeah.
they will first go to allopathic treatment, and for many years of treatment, when they're not getting the result, then only they shifted to Ayurveda. But you started with Ayurveda. I'm really happy to
Yeah.
hear it. But how?
I think I got lucky there because my family is actually into Ayurvedic medicines more than allopathy. So they
Oh.
believe in Ayurveda. The process is slow, but it is actually effective, and there are no side effects as compared to allopathic
Yes,
medicines.
definitely. So you're the blessed one that your family, already supported you
Yeah.
in this. There are a lot of patients who really want to come into Ayurveda, want to treat themselves through
Mhm.
Ayurveda, but their family discourages them that it might not work, there might be some scam, or it may take a long, long time and
Yeah,
all.
that's it.
So you're the lucky one.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you contacted the Planet Ayurveda, what was your very first experience with Planet Ayurveda, and were you satisfied, or there was some doubt, like it might work or not? Like, what was the situation?
When I actually talked to the doctor, he is actually very nice and they are very helpful. They give you a path, like they give you proper medicines and proper diet, so you know what to do, and they assure you like it will be healed if you follow the proper diet and medicines.
Hmm.
So I was like, this will help, and I also watched some videos of past patients, so they were actually cured. So I thought this is the one, like I've got the solution to my problem.
Yeah, so you were kind of sure that you are going to heal
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So, when you first consulted Planet Ayurveda, like before taking the medicine, what was your current situation like at that particular time? How stool frequency, blood mucus, and everything?
The stool frequency was like 5 to 6 times. It was,
Okay.
and then there was blood. Mucus was not present, I guess. But my weight was also reducing by a lot.
Hmm.
So it was not good. My health was not good.
Okay. All right. And after first consultation, like how much time it takes to, see the difference in your symptoms, the positive difference in your symptoms?
For me, it took 2 months actually, and it reduced by a lot. Like symptoms were reduced by a lot. Then I thought like it is giving me positive results, so I was happy.
Yeah. And what about diet? How much you follow the diet?
I follow it now as well,
Okay.
but I eat sometimes. Like I cheat sometimes, but it's fine if as long as you are eating like in small portion, like very small, and not regularly, then
Yes.
it helps.
Yes, very
It is
important
fine.
point that you have
Yeah.
mentioned. And did you followed the diet before the treatment of Planet Ayurveda as well?
Yeah, I was following the diet, but some things that I didn't know about, like I couldn't eat leafy vegetables. I was having it before,
Okay,
but
okay.
then afterward, when I stopped having it, then it really helped me.
Yeah, actually, fibrous fruits, yeah, the fruits and vegetables having fiber
Hmm.
are not allowed in ulcerative
Yeah,
colitis. Also,
yeah.
milk products are not allowed. So these
Hmm.
are some things that could,
That's right.
aggravate your condition. So,
Hmm.
are you eating them now?
No.
Okay.
Milk, I'm having almond milk, but green leafy vegetables, I'm not eating it now.
Okay. So, how long it takes to, get rid of the symptoms completely?
I think 8 months to 1 year is fine. Like My stool frequency is reduced to like 2 or 3.
Okay.
Like mostly it's 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. And in these 10 months, have you ever felt that, okay, no, it's taking too long, it's not working for me, or any, negative thing comes in your mind, or any one, make you negative towards this, that it might not work?
Actually, I have spent like 4 years without any good medicine. So this one was actually healing me. So I never
Mm,
had a thought that this is not going to work. So I was very
wonderful.
positive about it. Yeah.
Wonderful. And do you think that stress can impact your condition and can even worse your condition, even if the medicines are working, even if you are taking the diet properly, but still if you are having stress or some doubts, then it might not, heal you.
Yeah, of course, like stress kind of is the main thing behind this. Before, when for 5 years, I was actually pursuing CA, so I had a lot of stress, but I had to drop it. Now, when my stress is reduced,
Hmm.
so now it really helps me. I have time to practice yoga and meditation as well.
Wow.
So it really helps.
Wow. So you are living, I could say, a sattvic lifestyle, huh? Yoga, meditation,
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
diet, and everything. Wow. Wonderful to hear it.
Yeah,
And what about the medicines? Do you remember the name? Any of the medicine?
yeah. I am having right now. I'm having Pitta Balance, Amal Amal Pitta Mishran. Then Yashti Madhu Ghanvati, Kutaj Ghanvati,
Okay.
and Bela Giri Churna, Arjuna Churna.
Yeah.
These all. And
Okay.
before that, like in the initial stage, I got this like Cloto plan,
Syrup.
Thyro plan.
Hmm. Okay. So now your medicines are
Vatsabadi.
reduced very much.
Yeah, it has been reduced by a lot.
Okay. And also the dosage as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. So, what message you want to give to the people just like you at your age, and they
Yeah.
are hesitating in, believing Ayurveda? Although we see a lot of, positive results now, and a lot of people who are actually seeking for Ayurvedic treatment, they're rejecting allopathic treatment
Hmm.
completely because there are a lot
Yeah.
of side effects. And these Ayurvedic medicines, although you have taken it for 3, 4, 5 years, but still I'm sure you might you have some positive effects, other positive effects other than treating your disease. But
Hmm.
taking allopathic medicines for such a long time, I mean, it damages your internal organs a lot.
Uh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so what message do you want to give?
I think people should believe in Ayurvedic medicines more than allopathic because there are no side effects. First thing, the journey might be slow, but it is a lot more effective, and it will not only heal you, but it will also like reduce your stress because in allopathic medicines, I think the side effects are huge and they are more serious.
Yes.
Yeah. So, in regarding ulcerative colitis, I think people should believe in Planet Ayurveda because it is the only thing that worked for me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and have you ever visited Planet Ayurveda?
Not actually,
Okay.
but I will for sure.
For sure, we will welcome you, and we will do a live testimonial then
Yeah.
offline. That's wonderful. So, what you're doing right now, Shreya?
Actually, I'm studying graphic designing.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and now everything is going smooth. I'm sure the disease
Yeah,
might
it is
affect your
good.
studies and your career as well.
Not actually.
That's great.
Now it is going very smooth.
Wonderful,
Thanks to
wonderful.
you guys. Yeah.
Thank you, Shreya, for such a wonderful feedback. And I am sure a lot of people will get motivated listening to you. And your smile is telling a lot about your journey. A wonderful smile.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to help. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, take care. Bye.
www.planetayurveda.com पर जाएं और वहाँ पे हमारे जो कंसल्टेंट्स हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड से हमारे पास पेशेंट्स जो है कंसल्ट करते हैं आयुर्वेद के रिलेटेड। हमारे एमडी आयुर्वेदा डॉक्टर्स हैं जो कि व्हाट्सएप वीडियो कंसल्टेशन के थ्रू आपको कंसल्टेशन देते हैं और आप ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर सकते हैं और अपने जो फ्रेंड्स हैं जो फैमिली के लोग हैं उनको आप बता सकते हैं।
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।